Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on benefits of diploma courses. It means that polytechnics. So we are having so many courses under the diploma. The diploma engineering consists of the following courses which are having the more demand in actual market or in actual practice. So we are having list of courses, but out of that one these are the important. Friends, if you are not subscribed or like this button, please like on and subscribe that one. It means that so you will get that different video through the SVGA vision for education purpose. This video is prepared for education purpose only. So and it is having private information regarding that diploma courses. Diploma courses consist of mechanical engineering, in which we are going to study machines, that engines and other components regarding that one required for designing development of that machines and that engines. Second one is computer engineering. Computer engineering is the field in which we are going to study that software as well as hardware regarding that computer. Then civil engineering. Civil engineering is based on the construction, otherwise the building, or to prepare the roads or infrastructure. So in which we are going to study that design, development and preparation of that all these things. After that one we are having electrical engineering and electronics engineering. So in which electrical engineering we are going to study the things regarding electrical, and electronics we are going to study the machines which will runs on that electrical or electrical machines we are using in our day-to-day life. After that one we are having electronics and telecommunication. This age is known as the telecommunication age. That's why so you will get the information regarding the machines and telecommunication. Then automobile engineering, you are aware with the automobile engineering, so in which we are going to study the automobile, uh, means vehicles. So now we are considering benefits of that diploma. So diploma is a technical field which will helpful at the time of searching the what is after 10th. The diploma engineering is program focused on theoretical as well as practical skills which will develop at the time of performing or studying the diploma. The next point is it will focus on communication, that based on writing, verbal, so which will develop the personality of the candidate or student. So we will complete in short time. So timing or duration required is very short, that is 3 years after 10th and 2 years after 12th. After 12th you will get direct second year admission for the diploma, and simultaneously it will require less expenses. So if you are considering the job opportunity, it is having wide range of job opportunity. So we are considering some of that jobs as a junior engineer, sub engineer, associate engineer, technician, technologist, supervisor, superintendent, foreman, machinist, these draftsmen. Then you are having uh, technician, so automobile technician, maintenance, servicing. So you can increase that list. So that is as concerned with your hardware or field work. Otherwise we are working in the under the shade, but simultaneously we are having that jobs concerned with the software also, in which we are considering CAD, computer aided designing development, then CAM, computer aided machining, then programmer, the agriculture overseers, then instrumentation technician, then junior instructor, manufacturing, and die designing, etc. You can increase the list. It will not develop only the technical skill, but it will develop entrepreneurship skill also. You can start, or you will start your self business after completion of that diploma. If you are having again potential, or you are interested to study further, so you will take this direct second year admission, otherwise you will get the direct second year admission for the graduation. This diploma is considered as a undergraduate engineer degree, but after completion of that uh, engineering or BTech, so you will get that graduation or graduate engineer. So for that purpose, so you are having this uh, skill diagram or success diagram. It is represented diagrammatically. So how you are selecting the branch? That branch is selected with respect to our interest is important thing. So in which field you are having interest, that is important, and so you are going to select the branch. Out of that 7 branch, so I am recommended, so you can select that other branches also. It is depends upon again your interest. So then you are having your skills, which type of skills you are having, with respect to that your interest is there, and you are going to plan that one, which batch you are going to select. So we are preparing that or planning that one, then we are preparing, or your mindset is there, and you are deciding your goal. After deciding that goal, so you are taking the admission, that comes under the education. So we are taking that education for success again, and that success in terms of intellectual skill, or your motor skill, simultaneously your communication skill, or overall personality development, and you will give it will give that better salary. And again we come to our interest. You are having different types of interest. Thank you friends, this is all about the diploma, so it is given in short. Thank you very much.